Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to make a Weight Watchers smoothie. You only need 4 ingredients to make this yummy, delicious smoothie. In our ingredients we have some soy milk. You can use any kind of milk you like. I'm also going to use some ice cubes. We are also using 1 banana. And we're using some protein. For today we're using strawberry flavored. You can use any protein you like, any protein you have. This smoothie is meant to be a make me feel good kind of smoothie. You need 1 scoop of protein, 1 cup of ice, throw in your banana and add in about half a cup of milk. You can add more if you like. You can start at the minimum speed. And that's it. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Now let's put it in a glass and see what it looks like. You see what it looks like, guys? This is the consistency that I like. Give it a try and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.